Hey everybody.
Morning.
We are on our way to a commercial property in Fayetteville.
Yep, by the way, Riverdale. I don't know what's the city and I don't know what's the county. I think that's bad.
We're going.
Correct.
That's what we're doing.
Correct.
It's an overcast day, sprinkling a little bit, but still not too bad to where we're rained out. So we can still get some work done. It gets lighter in the cooler seasons, but you still got work to do. Definitely pruning.
You can do cutbacks. If you don't know what cutbacks are, that's for like those any hedge that's like pretty much calling like some type of, I don't want to say hindrance, but like overgrowth in somebody's sidewalk or driveway. You can actually cut them back so that way in March and spring when it grows back, it's growing, it's nice and it's kept and it's, I don't want to say compressed, but looks more even and there's no more overgrowth.
Absolutely.
So you can also do cutbacks as well. You can still do your pre-emergence for January, February. Grass is not growing, so you would need like a 007. And then just small little tip.
What's 007?
So 007 is not in a particular order, but that's your nitrogen, your phosphorus, and your potassium. So right now, of course, we don't need any nitrogen, so that's why that's 0. And I forgot what order it goes in with your phosphorus and your potassium. But that's what those 3 numbers on that bag. Anytime you go to like your big box stores or like your actual landscaping stores, if you see those 3 numbers, it's your nitrogen, your phosphorus, and your potassium. So that's why in the summertime you see higher numbers, and in the wintertime you see those lower numbers, because we don't need all that nitrogen, because nothing's growing in the winter. That's why everything is dormant, besides the grass that grow in the winter, like your tall fescues. But other than that, we don't need all that potassium. We don't need all that
nitrogen.
Correct.
And in the southeast, it doesn't snow much, so there's a lot of, in the southeast of the United States, it doesn't snow much. So there's still room to do mulch installations and pine straw installations, which is coming down here in Georgia. And you can do your rock installations.
Rock installations, even in October, you can do your put out your seeding for your tall fescue.
Yeah.
And of course, like I already mentioned, year round, do your pre-emergence. Pre-emergence. Because as soon as that soil temperature for us right here in the southeastern states, as soon as that soil temperature hits 65 degrees, that's when you start, everything is emerging from spring.
Including the weeds if you didn't treat your soil and your lawn. So there are some things that you can use, like of course dandelions. You can definitely use those for health reasons.
Right.
So if you're plucking a dandelion, maybe use that for some tea. But if it's not a dandelion, I don't know about all the weeds, but they don't all have some wonderful purpose. So try to get rid of those weeds before they come, because once they're already there, there's already a root system.
Yep.
And yeah, so those are things you can do in the cooler seasons. One of the things we wanted to discuss was leaf cleanups.
Yep, leaf cleanup. So what we do here at West Lawn Care is we do mulching. One, it saves a lot of time than taking out a blower and then blowing the leaves to a certain situation, or blowing them and then bagging them. Leaves, they help provide a natural source of nutrients that will provide a growth of your lawn. And of course, like I already mentioned, it'll save you time from raking, blowing. Now, of course, if you do have like somebody that has like a nice lawn that's like heavily wooded in the back, and they don't mind if you blow the leaves, do that. But our method of choice at West Lawn Care LLC is mulching. Pull it out, get it. What is this person doing? I gotta drive around.
Yeah, because they're doing something. This car is acting up.
All right.
Honda, stop tripping, Honda.
Yeah, but that's our form of method. I'm sorry. Mulching.
Yes, and one of the blessings of mulching is, when the leaves fall, there is some good nutrients left in those dead leaves that are supposed to decompose into the soil and basically nourish the lawn and the soil to go back up into the tree so it can bloom and do everything all over again.
Correct.
So when you blow your leaves all away from your lawn, you unfortunately can cheat your lawn or your soil from those nutrients that are naturally supposed to.
Yes.
Now there is a issue though. You can't just leave the leaves because then you can get rot. So you
can
can't
get
just
rot.
leave thick rot.
Right. That's when you're bringing in like different diseases to your lawn, and that's why when you leave your leaves heavily compacted throughout the winter, and when you remove them, that's when you start to see that fungi called mushrooms, and we all know what mushrooms look like. So take care of your lawn. And then for anybody that's out, especially us as the lawn care providers, this is where we step in and we provide that education to our clients to let them know that, hey, we're taking care of your yard in the winter so we can be prepared for the spring and summer. And then when you come out of the summer, you want to prepare it for the winter. It's all about preparation.
Yes, and with mulching, when you have those mulch pieces, that mulch of leaves, even when we bag whatever excess there may be for larger leaf cleanups,
it's good for compost.
It's gonna be good for compost what we bag, but then also the little crumbles of leaves that are left over still get to nurture that land and still get to go into that soil and decompose, so you can have a beautiful bloom in the spring.
Right.
Yeah. So we really want to. We're working towards 1,000, guys. We are behind, but we definitely believe that we can get there. So with your help, you guys subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
And like and share. We are a family-owned business. We are community-centered. We are family-powered, and we're learning every day. So we will make sure to post at least twice a week, every week. Maybe if we can get in 3,
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put pressure on myself. If we get to 1,000 subscribers,
okay,
I will make a song about lawn care.
All right.
Using my own beats, own production studio.
Yes.
So I've been procrastinating. I want to do a little something for lawn care. We need our own music when we riding out, getting ready to go do a mulch job, do a pine straw job, whether we doing pruning, whether it's 98 degrees and we got 6, 7, 8 lawns. We need you know what I'm saying? We can't always listen to the everyday music, you know what I'm saying, riding down up and getting gas, going to certain places to get food and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? We need our own motivation, so I can provide that for y'all. But I need 1,000 subscribers. We need 1,000 subscribers.
Yep, and it can be done.
And I need to get over it.
As long as we support each other. So thank you so much for watching this. You guys have a great day. Have a blessed day.